How to delete channel on YouTube. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube channel on mobile. Make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open any web browser or Safari on your mobile. Go to studio.youtube.com. If prompted to switch to the YouTube Studio app, choose to stay on the browser. Zoom in a bit, and tap the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open Settings. Navigate to Channel, then select Advanced Settings. Scroll down and finally tap Remove YouTube Content. It might ask to enter your current YouTube password to proceed. Here, on the next page, choose whether to hide your channel or permanently delete it. To delete your channel, expand the second option and check both boxes to confirm what will be deleted, such as videos, playlists, and other content. Tap Delete My Content to finalize the process. Enter your email address that has been used in your channel. And that's it. Your YouTube channel and all associated content will be permanently removed. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave any questions in the comments below. See you in the next one.